Okay, guess what? Turns out I had equipment here to film. Who knew? The car started this morning. It's working. Yay! I got freedom. I got food. I went and get Dunkin' Donuts, a pack of, I don't know, 10 or something. I got my K-Cups. I'm a happy camper. I'm not paying $2 a day for coffee. I have the basics. Small milk, small half and half a dozen organic eggs, butter, bread, cheese, and an avocado. And I bought some oil, olive oil, and garlic. No good standing Italian would be without them. I have sauce and I have pasta. This was all I was missing. I will eat. Okay, so today it's going to be a little bit crazy because I don't have a, what would you say? I don't have my computer, so the upload's going to look a little bit, raw, like back in the day, but that's okay. Let's have some fun. I just made my first cup of coffee. I'm planning on making my cheesy eggs. Nothing overly thrilling or exciting. So I'm going to just go and move the camera, turn it over toward the stove top so you can see me cook. Okay, I'm getting hungry and it's time for me to eat. So let me see if everything's working the way I remember it. I'll put that low. Here in New York I have gas, so I always have to adjust. In Florida it's electric. I'm just having 2 scrambled eggs today, a little bit of cheese. Get some butter. Okay. It's a galley kitchen. I like that I could just grab from side to side. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. We put the kitchen in last year, as you guys all know, if you've been with me and watch me. If you're new, this is my New York apartment. We live in New York 6 months and we live in Florida the winters, 6 months. Okay. Okay, that looks like it's heating up nicely. Put my 2 eggs in. And get some cheese in there. This is just plain cheddar string cheese, shredded. Okay. That bad. They're doing work downstairs, so excuse the noise. Sorry for that. I need a spoon to turn it. Where is my other? Okay. You hear the drill? Well, you can't complain. It's a weekday. They're allowed every day till 5. We did our kitchen last year, and I'm sure we annoyed a lot of people. Get a dish ready. Okay, hello. This is not going to be a filming adventure, I can tell you that. This is not going to work out. Not going to have anything with this but maybe some white bread toast. Not toasted even, just white bread. Okay. I just want you to see how fluffy and delicious these are. I'm being a baby because I had some dental work yesterday done. And I feel like eating soft food rather than go crazy chewing. I can eat what I want, but I'm in the mood for something soft and easy. So there you go. My cheesy eggs. I'm going to add some bread. Beautiful. Okay. Piping hot. I'm going to add some salt, pepper, slice of bread, and my cup of coffee. Today was a short one, just because I miss everybody, and I'll try to get this uploaded and see how it goes with just my phone to work off of. Have a great day.